Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best debossing tip is probably one of the most versatile and exciting tools to add to your Cricut Maker's arsenal, allowing you to create stunning, professional-looking debossed designs on a wide variety of materials like cardstock, leather, and even soft metals. This specialized tip works by pressing into the material rather than cutting through it, leaving behind a beautiful indentation that adds depth and dimension to your projects, making everything from custom invitations to personalized gifts truly stand out. If you're looking to elevate your crafting game and impress with intricate, tactile designs, then this is the accessory you've been waiting for. Number 5. Cricut Foil Transfer Kit. Elevate your creations with our foil transfer kit. Add a touch of elegant shine to cards, invitations, and more. It's the perfect way to make your project stand out. Adorn your crafts with a unique, pressure-activated system. Achieve polished, long-lasting results without any heat. It's a perfect addition to your crafting supplies. This kit includes everything you need to get started. You'll find foil transfer sheets in gold and silver, interchangeable tips for fine, medium, and bold lines, a tool housing, and adhesive tape. It works seamlessly with your Cricut Maker and Explore machines. Simply follow the prompts in Design Space, and peel to reveal the glimmering results. Our accessories are designed to make crafting fun and simple. With our smart cutting machines and supplies, you can easily fuel your creative fire and create beautiful projects right at home. What we like? If you love adding a touch of luxury to your paper crafts, this is for you. It allows you to create stunning foil designs without the need for heat, making it safe and easy to use. If you're looking to elevate your cards, invitations, or gift tags with a professional, shimmering finish, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This debossing tip works great with the Cricut Maker and creates beautiful, deep debossed lines on cardstock. The debossing tip is easy to install and switch out with other Cricut tools, making the design process seamless. It's a fantastic tool for adding professional-looking details to paper crafts, such as invitations and cards. Number 4. PAIYULE Organizer Case for Cricut Maker Blades. Introducing the ultimate organizer designed specifically for your Cricut Maker tools. Keep all your blades and tips neatly in one place. This case is perfectly fitted for your QuickSwap tools, including engraving tips, scoring wheels, and various blades. It ensures everything has its designated spot. Crafted from high-quality EVA material, it offers excellent water resistance and shockproof protection. The anti-shock bubble interior provides a secure environment for your valuable tools. Featuring unique slots designed to accommodate different sizes of scoring wheels and blades. The stand-up design makes it easy to access your tools whenever you need them. A handy mesh pocket is included to store smaller accessories like fine point blades and engraving tips. Keep everything organized and within reach. Lightweight and equipped with a carrying strap, this organizer is perfect for crafters on the go. Take your tools anywhere without any added burden. What we like? For the crafter who has a collection of tools and accessories, this organizer is a game changer. It keeps all your Cricut Maker QuickSwap tips and blades neatly arranged and protected, whether you're crafting at home or on the go. If you're tired of searching for the right tool or worried about damaging your delicate tips, this case offers peace of mind and convenience. What people say. This debossing tip works great with the Cricut Maker and creates beautiful, deep debossed lines. The debossing tip is easy to install and use, and it produces professional-looking results on various materials like cardstock and faux leather. I love how this debossing tip allows me to add intricate details and dimension to my projects, making them stand out. Number 3. Cricut Fine QuickSwap Debossing Tip. Elevate your paper crafts with this fine debossing tip. It allows you to create crisp, detailed designs effortlessly. Achieve professional-level debossed designs without the need for folders. Get intricate results with ease. This accessory is designed exclusively for your Cricut Maker machine. Ensure compatibility for the best experience. Add a unique touch to all your creations. Personalize your projects with stunning debossed effects. Experience the precision of fine debossing. It's simple to use and delivers impressive results every time. What we like? If you're aiming for intricate and professional-looking debossed designs without the hassle of traditional folders, this is your go-to tool. It's perfect for adding crisp, detailed embellishments to your paper crafts. If you want to achieve a sophisticated, embossed look with precision and ease, this tip will help you achieve stunning results. What people say. This debossing tip works with the Cricut Maker and allows for debossing on various materials. It creates clean and defined debossed lines, adding a professional touch to projects. The tip is easy to swap out with other Cricut tools, making it convenient to use. Number 2. Cricut Fine Debossing Tip plus QuickSwap housing. Add a professional polish to your DIY projects. Create crisp, detailed, pro-level debossed designs with ease. This tool offers a wider range of motion than traditional folders. Customize and personalize on thicker materials with incredible intricacy, no folders needed. It's designed to work with your Cricut Maker cutting machine. Easily swap it out with other QuickSwap tips for endless creative possibilities. Use it on various materials like coated paper, foil cardstock, and more. Create decorative flourishes, monograms, logos, and seals for unique crafts. Our accessories are made to make your crafting journey fun and simple. Fuel your creative fire with our smart cutting machines and tools. What we like. This is for the crafter who wants maximum creative freedom and the ability to work with a variety of materials. The rolling debossing tip offers a wider range of motion, allowing for intricate customization on even thicker substrates. If you're looking to personalize projects with unique patterns, monograms, or logos and want a tool that offers exceptional control and versatility, this debossing tip is an excellent option. What people say. This debossing tip works great with the Cricut Maker and creates beautiful, deep debossed lines on cardstock. The debossing tip allows for intricate designs and adds a professional touch to projects. It's easy to switch out the debossing tip with other Cricut tools, making it convenient for different crafting needs. Number 1. Cricut Debossing Tip. Introducing the Cricut Debossing Tip. Achieve crisp, detailed debossed designs on your projects with ease. This fine tip allows for intricate debossing without the need for separate folders. Get professional results every time. This accessory is designed exclusively for your Cricut Maker machine. Unlock new creative possibilities. To use this tip, you will need the QuickSwap housing, which is sold separately. Ensure you have it ready for your next craft. Add a touch of elegance and detail to your creations. This tool is perfect for adding personalized touches to gifts and decor. What we like. If you're a Cricut Maker user looking for a precise and durable tool for creating sharp, detailed debossed designs, this metal tip is a great addition. It's designed for fine detail work and offers a clean, professional finish without needing separate folders. If you prioritize accuracy and a high-quality debossing effect for your projects, this fine metal tip is a solid choice, provided you have the QuickSwap housing. What people say. This debossing tip is a game-changer for adding dimension to projects. It works beautifully on cardstock and faux leather, creating crisp and defined debossed lines. The debossing tip allows for intricate designs that would be impossible with other tools. It's perfect for adding personalized touches to gifts and home decor items. I was impressed with how easy it was to use the debossing tip. It attached securely to my Cricut Maker and produced professional-looking results with minimal effort. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.